Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, I'm Sravya. So today's video is about the makeup brush collections that I'm having right now. So in this video, I'm going to show what all brushes I'm having and what all brushes I use for what particular makeup to create it. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with this video. Before heading to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's jump into the video. All the makeup brushes are in these two containers. This is the face makeup brushes and these are the eye makeup brushes. This container is, or you can say this makeup holder brush is, this brush holder is from Cups and Lashes by Nidhi Katiyar. I will make sure to link the products in the bio so you can buy it from there if you liked it. So now let's get into details. So first start with the face brushes. There are 3 sets of face brushes in this. So first I'm going to show my first ever face brushes if I can find. So the first face brushes are this I have bought long way back when I have started my channel, and if you are a beginner and don't know what brushes you need to buy, this you can buy if you don't want to invest a lot in the makeup brushes, of course. Otherwise I'm going to show one more another brush set, which is the bomb.com brushes. If you can spend little much more, then you definitely go for the brushes that I'm going to show you later. But right now these are the 3 brushes, face brushes, which you get in a makeup box. In if you have seen my previous haul video, you might be knowing which brushes are this. So yeah, these are the 3 face brushes which I got in one of the set. Another face brushes are, let me collect them in my hand. So another face brushes are this 5 face brushes. It is a kabuki set and this also works very much good. I still use them for my contour and for my blush, if you can say. So this is the dome flute applicator brush. Just I will show you one by one. This is the dome flute applicator brush you can use for the powder sake and all. This is the little bit of flat shaded brush. You can use the foundation, but it absorbs lots of foundation. I don't recommend this for the foundation because it absorbs lots of foundation. It goes inside it. It is not that much stiff also, if you can see. It is little bit flexy. So I don't think so it is much recommendable for foundation. So the next brush is this, the little bit slanted flat brush, I mean, so for the contouring, for bronzering sake. And there is another one also here with the little bit of flat. I don't know why these 2 brushes have been given, but yeah, these 2 can be used for bronzed and for contouring sake. And the last brush in the face one is this. You can use for blush, I guess. I use it for blush regularly. So yeah, these are the 5 kabuki brushes. And the brushes which I was talking and for the set is this brushes, this goddamn brushes. This brushes came in my life and changed my life. So these are the brushes from Cups and Lashes by Nidhi Katiyar. This is the I bought the set, brush holder, face brushes and eye brushes. I bought all the set, and these are the goddamn brushes which I like and I rave about this brushes. So let's go one by one quickly. First brush is this foundation brush, and I'm sorry for the brushes because I have used for this makeup tutorial. So yeah, these are the brushes. If you can see, this is the foundation brush. If you follow me from the long time, I'm very much loved and raved about the blenders, the makeup blenders, beauty blenders, which you say. But after coming, this brush came in my life, I have stopped using beauty blenders. This is the hands down one of the best foundation brushes so far I have used. There are no sticky lines, there are no patches, nothing. It blends like evenly. Right now also I have used this brush and it's been almost 4 to 5 hours I've been using this makeup on the harsh lights, and yes, it's the foundation still on place. I have wiped my face many times, but this is goddamn good brush. So the next brush is this slightly slanting brush. So you can use this for blush and contour and bronzing. So whatever you are like what do you say, whatever you can do with this. You can do this, all three things with this. And the next brush is this fluffy brush. It is the powder blush, and sometimes you can use for blush also if you want. This is a very good powder brush. After that is this concealer brush, you can see. Next is, this is the fan brush. You can use for highlighter and all the things. And the next one is super cute. I never ever saw this brush in any brush set. So this is the tiny fan brush. I'm very much fanned with this and I'm glued out. I use this fan brush for my highlighting the eyebrows areas and all. It is super cute and I like this brush a lot. So with this, I have done with the face brushes. Now let's come for the eye brushes. If you can see, there are lots and lots of eye brushes. There are almost, I think, four sets in this. So first let me separate it and I will tell you in set by set. So after separating it, I have realized that I have six sets of brushes. So let's go with the random one first. These are the random brushes which I got long back. I think it's almost 9 years or 10 years back. These are I guess I got for the Revlon lipstick. I bought some Revlon lipstick. For that I have got all the brushes. So these are very random. I hardly use them because they are not useful for my mind now, because I'm being little bit not a kind of pro, but little bit in the intense of eye look. So these are not used for me, except this spoolie and this brush kind of thing. This works for me also right now. And the sponge applicators, guys, the sponge applicators generally people don't prefer it, but I do, because with this shimmer eyeshadows comes very good. Try it, trust me, it works out. So the next is these two brushes. These are from Miniso. These are one is the flat fluffy brush and this is another is fluffy brush. This both gives a good blendable brushes. If you have seen my Miniso haul, then you know that I have bought this brushes long back before lockdown from Miniso. So yeah, these are the two Miniso brushes. So next is this brushes from the Kabuki set. I guess I have missed one from the set, because I remember, as far as I remember, there were 5, but they were there were 4 fluffy brushes. I mean like blendable brushes, you can say blended brushes, and 1 dome food applicator brushes. And yeah, this is the Kabuki brush set. Then next comes the beginner friendly brushes, I can say. So these are all if you are good in eyeshadow game, then I don't think so these brushes will work, because there are lots of flat brushes instead of fluffy brushes or something. So yeah, these are all the brushes from that set. So if you want only eye brushes, not the face brushes, then this brushes is the perfect brush set for you guys. This is from a makeup store, I mean from Instagram makeup store. I have bought it. This have 12 brushes and it is retailing for 200 or 300. I think this is the best eye brushes till now. Only eye brushes if you want. There are different kind of brushes. This is the fluffy brush. This is a tiny flat brush. This is the flat little bit of lots of bristle brush, and this is the flat brush, little bit of you can say little bit long, then the tapered brush. This is the doe foot applicator brush, if you can see. Then this is the another flat brush. This is a small tiny brush for inner corners or something you can use. This is the precise blending brush. This is the angle brush with little bit of wide bristles in it. This is a small angle brush. This is the flat fluffy brush, and this is the fluffy brush. So almost all kind of brushes are there in this eye brushes. So if you want only eye brushes, you can use this. But if you want the high quality brushes and in little bit more higher range than the previous one, then definitely you can go for the Cuffs and Lashes eye brush set. It is the Cuffs and Lashes Niti Katia's eye brush set. These are the very good makeup brushes, and these are only the eye brushes you need if you are into that intense makeup look. So let's go one by one. So first brush that comes in my hand is this tapered brush that can be used for the patting sake on your eyelid or whatever used. There is no particular use for any eye brushes, you can use anyhow. This is little bit longer brush. This I generally use for the cut crease or for my eyelid, so cut crease look I use this. The next brush is the blending brush. Then the other one is this fluffy blending brush. It is a lot with lots of bristles, and it is a little bit fluffy blending brush. And the next one is tiny fluffy brush, tiny one, and with a little bit of bristles in it. Tiny little blending brushes you can use for anyone, for the precision of the eyeshadow on your eyelid you can use it. The next one is the fluffy one, or more fluffy one, and this eye makeup set brush you can say. The second last brush in this set is this little bit of doe foot and the fluffy brush you can say. And the last brush in this is the angle brush cum spoolie. Both are on the either sides, so that it is very much convenient when you're doing your eyebrows, and it can work on both the sides. So yeah, that was my brush collections and little bit of detailing how I use the brushes in my makeup looks and all. I will be linking down all the product details in the description box. You can buy if you want whatever makeup brushes suits for you and you like it. I definitely recommend the Cuffs and Lashes Needy Katiyar ones and the Instagram stores makeup brushes, because they are the best till now which I'm having. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. And I will be super soon catching with another video. Until then, bye bye.